Accidents cost your business every day. How do you get your team on a mission to zero at-fault accidents?
Okay, you're telling me you're on a mission for zero accidents. But what if another driver swerves into me?
We have you covered.
What if I was in an accident and it wasn't my fault?
We have you covered. Did you know that up to 80% of incidents that are routinely blamed on commercial drivers are in fact not actually the fault of the driver himself?
What if someone turns in front of my driver and then files a claim against us? Hello? Wait, hold on. Our driver was speeding? And there's damage to your car.
We have you covered.
But what if I really needed to text my girlfriend?
No.
We're on a mission to zero.
In order to help your drivers not cause accidents, you have to know the real story of what is happening on the road.
Driver phone use detected.
With real-time in-cab coaching. You lower your risk now, protect your drivers and business from false claims, and have a plan for coaching the drivers that need it. Keep your team and your community safe. Lower your risk today with Mission Zero from IntelliShift.